Good morning all. In last lecture we had studied Norton's theorem. In today's lecture we'll learn maximum power transfer theorem. So what is basically maximum power transfer theorem? Let's begin with the statement of maximum power. So in a DC circuits, maximum power, as the name indicates, maximum power transfer theorem, it means that maximum power will transfer from source to load if and only if source resistance is made equal to load resistance. What is the statement for the maximum power transfer theorem? In a DC circuit, maximum power will transfer from source to load if and only if source resistance is made equal to load resistance. So what you have to remember in case of the maximum power transfer theorem? The condition for maximum power is if RTH is equal to RL, at that particular moment the maximum power will transfer from source to load. I hope you have understood the condition for maximum power. What is the condition that you need to remember? RTH is equal to RL. So the first condition is RTH is equal to RL, where RTH is the source resistance, Thevenin's equivalent resistor. Already we had studied in previous lectures. And RL stands for load resistance, or we can say that branch resistance. Coming to the equivalent circuit for maximum power, this is the equivalent circuit. If you observe carefully, this is the variable load resistor. Am I right? In case of the Thevenin's theorem, if you remember, load resistor is fixed. But in case of the maximum power, load resistor is variable load resistor. Now this is what any two terminal in the network can be replaced by VTH in series with the RTH. Am I right? But in case of the maximum power transfer theorem, we have to calculate four parameters. Which are they? The first important parameter is what? VTH stands for Thevenin's equivalent voltage. Second important parameter is Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Third important parameter is you need to draw the maximum power equivalent circuit. And the fourth important parameter, as the name indicates, maximum power. So you need to calculate the final parameter is maximum power. I hope you have understood all the four parameters. In today's lecture, we are going to perform the derivation. So what you need to prove? Prove that RTH is equal to RL and maximum power is equal to VTH square upon 4 RTH. Let's begin with the proof. So first you need to draw the maximum power theorem equivalent circuit. So this is the equivalent circuit. With the help of this circuit you need to proceed. So first step, apply Ohm's law. By Ohm's law, can you tell me what would be the current flowing through that circuit? As you know that I is equal to V by R. So what is V? VTH upon RTH plus RL. I hope you have understood how to get current equation. Current flowing through load resistor is, let's consider I, which is equal to V upon R. VTH upon RTH and RL are connected in series, so you need to take RTH plus RL. Next procedure, as I told you, we have to find out power. So what is power? The basic formula for power is I square into RL. Can I substitute I value in this? What is I? VTH upon RTH plus RL whole square into RL, which is equal to VTH square into RL upon RTH plus RL whole square. I hope you have understood. This is what power. Power equation is what? This is the basic standard equation. P is equal to V into I, or P is equal to I square into R. So once you substitute the value of I, you will be getting P is equal to VTH square into RL divided by RTH plus RL square. I hope you have understood this. But in maximum power, you need to calculate maximum power. What is the condition for maximum power? Derivatives of power with respect to load resistor. You have to perform the differentiation function. What is that? Differentiation of power with respect to RL. if you perform the differentiation of power with respect to RL, can you tell me which formula you are going to apply? You are going to apply U by V rule. So what is the differentiation of U by V? What is the formula? V as it is into derivatives of U minus U as it is into derivatives of V upon V square. Am I right? So please let's apply and consider this is U, this is V. As I told you, as per the formula, V as it is. So you have to consider this is equal to 0. You have to consider the maximum power derivatives of P with respect to load resistor is equal to 0. So let's apply U by V rule to calculate maximum power. So after applying U by V rule, what you will get? RTH plus RL whole square, that is V as it is, into derivatives of numerator with respect to load resistor. Load resistor is 1, VTH square is the constant, so you have to write VTH as it is, minus numerator as it is, that is U as it is, into derivatives of the denominator or V, we can say that. So which formula you are going to apply? X raised to n. How you are going to calculate the derivatives of x raised to n? Which is nothing but equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So what you will get? 2 into RTH plus RL raised to 1. Let's consider 2 into RTH plus RL upon RTH plus RL whole raised to 4 is equal to 0. Equate this term is equal to 0. If you take on right hand side, which term you are going to consider? Which is equal to VTH square into 2 into RL RTH plus RL. I hope you have understood this. VTH will get cancelled. 1 square bracket get cancelled. RTH plus RL. What is remaining? RTH plus RL is equal to 2RL. So RTH is equal to RL. I hope you have understood first proof. Okay, we got Thevenin's equivalent resistance, that is source resistance is equal to load resistance. Now what you need to do? You have to substitute. We have to calculate power. Maximum power P max is equal to, what is P max? VTH square into RL divided by RTH plus RL whole square. Am I right? P max is equal to VTH square into RL upon RTH plus RL whole square. What is the condition if the maximum power will transfer? RL is equal to RTH. So it will become VTH square into RTH upon 2 RTH whole square. So P max is equal to VTH square into RTH upon 4 RTH square. This RTH and this RTH will get cancelled. So what you will get? P max is equal to VTH square upon 4 RTH. I hope you have understood the proof for maximum power transfer theorem. So again I will repeat, what is basically maximum power transfer theorem? In DC circuit, maximum power will transfer from source to load. What is the condition for that? If source resistance is made equal to load resistance. In case of maximum power transfer theorem, you have to remember, you have to find out 4 important parameters. The first one is, what is the first parameter that you need to calculate? Thevenin's equivalent voltage. Second parameter is Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Then you need to draw the maximum power equivalent circuit, and finally you have to calculate maximum power by simply applying formula maximum power, that is P max is equal to VTH square upon 4 RTH. This is very important proof as per the exam point of view. In next lecture, we'll solve few problem based on maximum theorem. Good day. Thank you.